Hi, it's Stacey at Wayside Garage. We have a 2006 Honda Odyssey that came in for an oil leak concern. And I have Jonathan here. He's actually in the process of rechecking right now. Jonathan, tell me, what did you find leaking on this Honda Odyssey? Show and tell.
Yeah, so oil filter housing. It's under, the normal engine oil pressure. Yeah, these seals, it's just rubber. It goes bad over time. And yeah, it was definitely leaking. Oops, sorry. It was leaking all over the place.
So the engine oil filter mounts to the oil filter housing, correct?
Correct.
And then the oil filter housing mounts to the engine block?
Correct.
Perfect. Let's show one more time these little seals here.
Mm-hmm.
There's a seal and/or gasket that goes on there. And over a period of time, with heat, the gasket and/or seal will start to leak because it becomes dry and cracked.
Yeah, it's dried out.
Brittle.
Yeah, normally you would be able to squish that.
Right.
Like soft rubber.
It's
like hard plastic
very
now.
hard. So
yeah.
Something that needs to be addressed periodically. We at Wayside Garage are happy to make sure that your vehicle is leak-free. I suggest having an inspection done every 6 months just to make sure that you aren't having any issues. And our ASE certified technicians, like Jonathan here, will make sure that if he sees anything leaking, he's going to bring it to your attention to make sure that you can address it. Or if he sees something that could potentially start to leak, then having that 6-month inspection, and because we are digital, we're going to be able to monitor it for you and take photos and or videos. Sometimes it's a matter of just monitoring to make sure that it doesn't get worse, and then also prepping you so that way you can plan for when the repair is going to be needed. So
yeah, catching it early is always best. That way it doesn't damage other things. Like this, unfortunately, the serpentine belt just got soaked in oil and started damaging the belt.
Yes,
just
so
because.
Not only is it a matter of replacing the oil filter housing, now the customer is going to need to have the belt replaced.
But yeah, like you said, every 6 months gives us the ability to catch things usually before they get worse, before it damages other components. Usually,
Which is preventative.
And yeah, if you're around, twice a year, at least every 6 months, it is so much easier for me to follow a maintenance plan for your specific vehicle. I know the ins and outs of that vehicle. Everyone is driven in a unique way. Everyone has different needs for their vehicle.
It's going to allow us to make sure that you are taken care of as opposed to having catastrophic repairs that are needed. And it's going to be less expensive also.
Yeah.
Give us a call at 831-899-2425. Or you can schedule a reservation online at www.waysidegarage.com. And again, if you're watching on YouTube, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips.